In this video we're going to learn how to add and subtract fractions with the same denominator. The first thing we've got to remember is we can only add fractions together when they actually have the same denominator. However, we can make our fractions have the same denominator. What we do is we find the lowest common multiple of each of the denominators, and then we need to find the equivalent fractions with these denominators. Then they'll have the same denominator and we can use the rules that we learned in our last video. Okay, so let's look at two examples. So here's my first one, 3/5 plus 2/7. The denominators are different, so I need the lowest common multiple of these two numbers. So the strategy we learned when we did lowest common multiples was start with 7. Does 5 go into 7? No. So add 7 on, 14. Does 5 go into 14? No. Does 5 go into 21? No. Does 5 go into 28? No. But does 5 go into 35? Yes. So that means we've got a lowest common multiple of 35. So I want to make this fraction have 35 in the bottom, which means I'm going to multiply top and bottom of this one by 7, and that's going to give me 21 over 35. I want 35 on the bottom of this one, which means I'm going to multiply top and bottom of this one by 5, and that's going to give me 10 over 35. They've now got the same denominator, so I can add them together and I get 31 over 35. Now let's look at a subtraction. So this time my denominators are 8 and 6. So I need to find their lowest common multiple. So we start with the biggest number. Does 6 go into 8? No. Does 6 go into 16? No. Does 6 go into 24? Yes. So I need to make it so that they both have a denominator of 24. So I'm going to multiply this one by 3 to give me 15 over 24. I'm going to multiply this one by 4 to give me 4 over 24. They now have the same denominator, so we'll use the rules from the last video, and that's going to give me 11 over 24. I hope you found the video helpful. The video goes with a book that I'm writing for Year 9 Mathematics in New Zealand, and you can find a link to a copy of the book below, and that book is free for you to use and give to others. In the book you can find questions that go with this video, and in a link below this video you'll be able to find answers to those questions. Stay in Infield with Winfield.